Hi, my lovely Geminis. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Geminis, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of March 2022. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to see other placements in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Geminis, before I begin, my sincere and heartfelt apologies. There's a power cut here and I just hope the power resumes as in how we proceed through the reading. So please bear with the light till then, okay? And I'm hoping the power resumes. So anyway, so while shuffling for you guys, Geminis, I feel that some of you guys are going to gain sudden clarity over some situation, okay? Like a euphoria kind of a moment wherein, to give an example, suppose you have misplaced something, okay, and you have been racking your brains where you might have kept it or where you could find it, okay, and suddenly you get the clarity as like or rather a hunch that you should search here or look for that object or thing over here, and you end up finding that, okay. Oh man, that's a good omen. Thanks, the power is back. Okay, yeah, so many candles I had put lighted rather. Anyway, so yeah, so there's going to be some clarity coming through for you guys in the upcoming months. I also feel that there would be lot of momentum in terms of your career, okay. I cannot pinpoint what, but yeah, there will be lot of changes in terms of your career. That's the message that was coming very strongly, okay. So yeah, with that, let's get started guys and see what messages we have for you for the month of March 2022. King of Cups had shown up while shuffling also, okay. Looks like someone is really heartbroken over here. Oh man, Geminis, what's up with you? What is up with you? Okay, damn, there is definitely some sort of ending over here, okay. Some sort of ending here, ending old job, ending of a relationship, ending of a friendship, okay, but some sort of ending. Yeah, you guys are moving forward, guys. Yes, some sort of endings are there. Now this definitely has come up as a surprise because I did not sense this energy while pre-shuffling for you guys, okay. So yes, there is definitely some sort of heartbreak involved here. Give me a second, let me see if you can see the cards. Yeah, so there is definitely some sort of heartbreak involved here. Three of Swords and Ten of Swords. Yeah, some of you guys are dealing with some sort of heartbreak over here, okay. You are really hurt over something. My goodness, I am so sorry guys you are going through this, but looks like see, the thing is, Three of Swords and Ten of Swords are the most painful energies of the deck, okay. So I truly am sorry for you guys, okay. Definitely I feel that you guys were, or someone else was in love with you. It could be either thing, because this King of Cups is looking straight at this Three of Swords and is leading to death card, okay. So you were definitely in love with someone, okay, fond of someone, but that bond has not fructified, okay. This looks like a very personal message guys, and really it has come as very unexpected. I feel that there is a Scorpion energy, by the way, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini over here. I feel that you guys might have fallen for someone at your workplace or something related to your work or business, but anyway some alliance has broken over here, okay. Some relationship has broken, some friendship has broken over here. I don't know what it is, but there is definitely an end of something. You guys are more focusing on your work now. you have kind of you have kind of made yourself busy with work. Okay, you are like completely channeling your energy on your work front is what I'm getting. Okay, also in terms of self development, self healing, that's what also I'm getting over here. Okay, yeah, but I feel that the healing has not happened. This looks like a very fresh event to me. Okay, very fresh event to me, and you guys are still trying to get over it. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting. There is going to be a lot of transformation happening here for some of you guys. This episode or this event is going to definitely teach you some lessons. Okay, that's the case with any ending. Actually, there are a lot of lessons to be learned. I want to clarify this Queen of Wands over here. What is the Queen of Wands doing over here? One card please of the Queen of Wands. Judgment card. Okay, there is, because there was judgment that was showing up a lot, quite a lot of times it showed up while pre-shuffling. So guys, I feel that after this whatever this episode happens, okay, you guys are going to step into your power. Maybe you'll start loving yourself more. This Queen of Wands is someone who is extremely confident about himself or herself. The gender is not important, the energy is important. Okay, so after this transformation or after this ending, you guys are going to step up into your power. Okay, you guys are probably going to get into the energy wherein, okay, I would like to enjoy life myself. Okay, I'm going to give myself another chance. I'm going to give life another chance. Okay, and see how this lady is blowing this trumpet and enjoying the music along with a pet. Okay, so she is going to be happy, or she or he, whoever it is, you're going to be happy in your own little world, trying to find your own happiness. Okay, you'll step into your own power is what I'm getting very soon, which is a very great transformation. This Death card is going to make you or transform you into this. Okay, and it's a very beautiful transformation, and I am so proud of you guys. Let's see anything else. Page of Swords in the reverse. So I feel, guys, you guys were probably initially kind of stalking each other. There was some stalking energy, but eventually you have stopped doing that. Okay, it's kind of natural. Okay, when we kind of cut ties with anyone, it's very difficult to detach emotionally. Okay, and that was what was happening with you, but now you have totally started focusing on yourself is what I'm getting. Anything else even in terms of advice for Geminis? The Devil in reverse. This both the cards have come up in reverse, and Four of Swords in reverse. So yeah, Devil in reverse and Four of Swords in reverse. I feel, guys, whatever it was, okay, it was not for your good anyway. Okay, this ending has happened for a reason. Wow, the Sun card. Wow, lovely energy, guys. Whatever has ended was anyway not good for you. It was kind of toxic for you. Okay, and it was maybe it was making you a little obsessive, because there is Page of Swords which kind of brings in lot of obsessive energy along with her. Okay, so maybe whoever you were connecting to was a little of a little obsessive nature, or it could be you who was obsessing over something. Okay, and finally you have decided to let go of it, is what I'm seeing. There is Sun card. You guys are instead focusing on yourself, focusing on your friends, socializing. Okay, this is a Leo energy. Leo energy is coming in very strong. Okay, along with air energy, strong air and fire energy is what I'm getting. So yes, you guys have you guys are going to be more, you guys are going to be more aware now going forward is what I am seeing. Okay, the Four of Swords in upright tells me that yeah, you were doing something subconsciously, okay, but in the reverse I feel that you guys are going to be more aware, awake, and you know, you'll be basically conscious of what you're thinking, okay, or where you're heading, or what you are doing, okay. You'll be very conscious and aware of yourself, so that you don't repeat your mistakes, okay. That is the kind of advice also, that because I had asked for an advice card, so be more aware, self-aware. Make sure that you do not lose yourself over someone or something, okay. That was really not serving you right, guys. Gemini, this is a very specific reading and this is not going to resonate with all. I'm so sorry for that, but can't help it. Four of Cups, yes, you were kind of sitting in the energy of a little depression, little sadness, okay. But there are new beginnings, guys. There are new opportunities waiting for you. The universe is trying to show you this cup, okay. All you have to do is get up and dust yourself and just move ahead in life, okay, which I believe you are very much going to do, okay. You are going to move forward. Six of Swords is talking about, you know, moving on in life, okay, or moving on with life. And the Judgment card which was there, which is also telling me that yes, you are going to finally accept this situation and move on from this situation. And it's like you're straight away moving towards something, okay. Maybe you might have set yourself some goals and you have decided to pursue those. This Queen of Wands is telling me that, okay, you'll be you'll be kind of excited about something and you're going to move towards that direction in a headstrong manner is what I'm getting. The Emperor card the Emperor card is telling me that could be this is an Aries energy, by the way. There could be difference of maturity between two people over here, okay. One could be really elder to you by age, or it could be a difference in terms of psyches of two people, okay. One is really immature because there was a page also over here, whereas the other person was like too mature. So there was a huge difference between attitude of two people is what I'm seeing, okay. I also feel Geminis, you are getting more and more disciplined, more and more organized. You're kind of working towards bringing discipline in your life, okay. Self discipline is what I'm seeing over here. You're more structured now, you're more focused now is what I'm getting. Could be that you are also dealing with a father figure, okay. Maybe you have some role model in your life to whom you look up to or consult to, okay. Now this could be male or female, but someone you actually look up to is what I'm getting, okay. Consult them for advices, okay. That kind of energy I'm getting over here. Interesting reading, Geminis. I really had not expected this. In fact, the messages that were coming to me were in terms of career, okay. But this has turned out to be a totally different reading. I'm not sure if you guys are ending any long-term job or long-term career. If that is the sort of ending this is, but you definitely won't be so heartbroken over that. So looks like more of a personal energy to me, okay. Let's see what messages we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. It's up to you. So whatever that is you want to do or trying to decide, it's totally up to you now, okay. Whether you want to remain in this Four of Cups energy or whether you want to move from this moon towards sun kind of energy, the decision is totally yours, okay. And I feel you are going to choose the latter. You are definitely going to not stay in the stuck energy is what I'm seeing, Geminis. And I'm so happy and proud of you if you're doing that. Let's see any other message for my Geminis. Any other messages? Okay, something has flipped over here. In the near future, okay. If at all you are kind of waiting for something, waiting to take some action or wanting to know when this and this will come through, okay. It's going to come through in the near future. Could be a couple of weeks time, okay. That won't be too long. Couple of weeks time is what I'm getting in terms of timelines, okay. What else? Not the right time. Okay, well guys, and there is something better. Okay guys, so right now is not the right time to make any important move or decision, you know, any radical decision. That this is not the right time. Hold on something. Okay, if you're planning to do something, just hold on, park it as of now. Maybe you could give it a shot after a few days. Okay, after few days or few weeks. Oops, I'm so sorry. Also guys, do not be heartbroken. There is definitely something better waiting for you there. Yes, there was Four of Cups. Like I said, there are new opportunities and new beginnings for you. Maybe right now is not the time, but immediately after a couple of days or weeks, you will get new opportunities, or you know, the life will come on, will be on track very soon for you guys, and for better. Don't let your past hold you back. This card had come up while free shuffling as well, and it has come in the main reading, which means the message is to be heard loud and clear, that do not let this incident or your past hold you back from living a good life, okay, or trying new things. Okay, it's time to release negativity. Of course it's time to let go of the toxicity. There was the Devil in reverse card, which talks about toxicity. Okay, so please let go of that. It anyway was not serving you right. Okay, anything else for my beautiful Geminis? This card, you and your loved ones are safe and bring love into the situation. Yeah, so also if at all you guys are worried about your the sanity or well-being or health about your loved ones, the message is that there is no need to worry. You and your loved ones are absolutely safe. It's a beautiful card. I absolutely love whenever I get this message. You know, it's such a huge relief to know that the people we love and care for are safe. So yeah. So Geminis, let me pull some charms for you guys and conclude this reading. Okay. I usually don't pull this, but today I have keychain. Okay, maybe like I said in the beginning, okay, you guys are definitely going to have some sudden realization over something. Maybe this keychain talks about you getting a key to some door, okay, or a solution to some puzzle or something which was, you know, kind of clogging your mind. Okay, so that's the kind of message this charm is bringing to me. Mocha, yeah, definitely take a break guys, take time to socialize. The Sun card here definitely showed the energy of people meeting, catching up with each other, okay, and kind of having some good time together. So yes, definitely time to catch up with your friends or whoever you love. Broomstick, I always say this charm tells me about letting go of whatever that is not serving you. Anyway, it's time to release negativity and move on, okay? And yes, this is the confirmation, and this is the ask, and this is the requirement or advice by your loved ones or your spirit guides or whoever you believe in. I choose strength. Of course you do. Of course you do. And it is coming out loud and clear through this reading. The cat always tells me about, you know, emotional detachment or staying in the present, okay, and you know, not getting too attached to things or people, okay, and that's the kind of message I'm getting from this charm today, and which is very much going with whatever you're going through or whatever this reading was all about. Oh damn, I think the power is going to go again. Dollar, okay, yeah, there could be a lot of money coming your way, guys, or something related to money, some news related to money. Good news is what I'm getting, but yes, something related to money is what I'm getting. Is it twice? Oh my god, the initial J has come up twice. Whatever this means to you guys, okay, initial J, a person starting with initial J, or place, or I don't know, whatever this initial means to you, and it has come up twice means definitely it holds some significance for some of you guys. So Geminis, it was quite a surprising reading. I am leaving it at that. If this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, share your experiences, drop comments. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.